to stay apart. And listen to my heart. Hey. Should I say yes? Should I say no? Should I say yes? Should I say no? The music is Should I Say Yes? Do you know who played this song? Okay, let me go to the lines and I'll be back. Stay with me. Should I say yes? Hello, good morning, Honorable Dr. Adea Akye Abia.
Good morning.
Now I'm going to say. Okay. Dr. Adea Akye Abia, a Fijase Member of Parliament. Now, by Santimantem, one Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. The Jumedia old dear no qua pronino or coordinate affairs kama. I don't pay a fair one, 7 years ago, we say, I know about Compre Japan say, more candidates no more touting so a strategist. Now, over $4 and they drew 12. No crowd here. As at 2022, January 2023, the Indian partner be Otia. Dollar no at 15. And where comes that strategist? Say more touty. Now clean campaign be encoso send you say coso. Now man sadia he will reply anything that is coming from that end. And open mo can say.
I think the campaign I had there. The last bit
I was saying clean and fair campaign. I don't know whether you have said something to jab him there.
Oh, Omanhene, my mentia will not be cheated for a coordinate just for me. Your campaign, your campaign, Yambo, Kenya Japan. There is no place there's no place for Ken in our campaign. As a matter of fact, Papa Nankazama and Corporatia CSA. I was there. Moya campaign devoid of insult. So what he's been telling people is a campaign devoid of insult. Okay. So nobody should insult anyone. Yes, and then nobody mentions Ken in it. What you here, and the message, is more focused on Adea Akye. There is no day. Dr. Baumia talks about a quiet President Kufuor a quiet Nanado Dene Tuaso, the Wayama Party, Kota Kotina, sacrifices or Abribia Yelusu lectioner. I was also page my pro. Dr. Baumia can be the 3-point planner, Yatu Abamana, Obey Diama Party for. Now I can't buy Abesi. There on also Wabua Party in the party for an Kaino. Now I say almost more. Then I may walk home party no. Most no, Mr. Mo, a try to see again for Mukwaya Mon Kaime. That party for Nakazia de Kaio. And there is no place for Kenya Japan in our campaign. No place. I don't know where. I hear say so. Also, your strategist. There's no place where he mentions strategy. I don't get it. I don't get it.
You don't get to say or say Baumiaso a strategist.
There is no place in the campaign that Baumia ever mentioned is a strategist. Like I told you, he talked a lot about himself, his beginning, the challenges that he has gone through, and he by God's grace, God took him where he has to be, and give hope to people that your child can also be him or better than him, based upon what he has gone through, and what he has done for the party, and then based upon that, the party should also remember. And then he tells people that if you are indeed a supporter of his, don't insult. Also, indeed, obiatem.
So I am one say be our kasana. Now, maybe here he talks about dollar and then CD relational.
Dollar and the CD chain. Dollar and the CD chain.
The party has failed.
And if Ken want to talk about the economy, the Minister of Finance and the ones that will generate will anger at him. However, he has answers for you. Minister of Finance brings economic policy plan, which is the budget. The major decision, policy decision back and answer a document. Or the parliament, I as an MP may approve it. Kenny Japan as an MP, he also approves it. And if the economy is hit by exogenous factors that are external forces, lawyers for the force majeure. Whether a COVID, whether a Russia-Ukraine war, whether a lot of expenses, large budget deficit, depletion of forest reserves, import cover, so much depleted. That one, if Ken want to understand it, he must direct his concerns to Minister of Finance. The Minister of Finance will give you appropriate response. But why should you direct that one to Alajiba Mahmoud Awumia? I don't get it.
That's why head of economic management team.
Okay.
Almost one the head of economic management team. The economy, no. What do you commerce obey the Anko Yai or no?
The champion was at a point a head of state and the Minister of Finance.
Huh?
Bawumia is not the Minister of Finance. Bawumia is not the Minister of Finance. The fact that Omanhene is a morning show host or maybe a boss of news editor doesn't make Omanhene CEO of maybe Sompa FM. No.
Okay.
In fact, it doesn't make Omanhene the owner of Sompa FM. And therefore, when there are liabilities, Omanhene has come, Omanhene Babayet Nejumako. With their liabilities, go to the owner. If you think that there was a decision in the day that affected Sompa FM, Omanhene and the party, you go to the CEO. The fact that Omanhene will go to management meeting, and therefore Omanhene said Najin, doesn't mean that the fact that Omanhene goes to management meeting does not make Omanhene a CEO of Sompa FM. And therefore, if he can think that he owes something to anybody, or anybody owes something to him, the budget was brought to Parliament. Me and him approved it. And if he wants challenges in the economy, go to Ken Oforiata. Ken will definitely educate him on what happened. But Mahmoud Awumia, I mean, you don't direct that to him. And you're fair. And you're fair. Look, contest Amoko, Nipani na Masani Kata against one person. What is all this about? Nipani na Masani one Obia against one person. Are they? Moko Kaze system. System bang. Me MPP ya boy MPP by post mucha mambi. Intima Mobian Kopo system there baby. Pure love nedi Batawomiako. Pure love. Look, constituencies are yakuni na. I'm telling you that constituency be any Asantia, Bawumia less than 75 or 80%. Look, and when you win Ashanti, you have won the election. Indeed, a man sign any sign, you push or in Takache. Omo a campaign no. Omo focus on omo message. Nyame ne si hene. Se obeka oma kuma omo betu abano di amao. Men ko attack obi. Me as a member of parliament. There is no day in the Fijaja Sokore. A man for be competing ya me ka oma samuda. Dey bia me catch omo say me be come there. Into omo e ba no so omo ka omo there. The one for can with the NHS only message. And therefore you move on somebody's popularity by attaching. Intimacy, Ken must direct his anger elsewhere, and Ken must sell himself with his message. Ken must find himself a space on the elections, on the ballot, with his message, but not attacks.
All right. All right, boy, you're free, Medasi.
Medasi.
Okay. He's the coordinator of Dr. Mahmoud Baomia's campaign Ashanti region. And also Edeba. Anopay, Unompe, Uchepe, Usisi, Uniaman Yinan to Toya, Mesrewa, One Tunso Aguachio, Papebi or Honoma. If any ba. MC.
Yeah.
No bomb to say.
Now go part moon, I will say.
MC.
Oh my. Oh, but you won't. And never. My feeling interview no pa.
Mami ti anope.
You o my Nyankopon insha wo pa. Ene anope ya oba de aya aduma adwada asadru a ye dwodwo ehun de. Na chese wa wumpom ene ukotodwe ene usisi ne ya oya no. Na ye enchia ane ye di free Bible center ya so ye edema wo. Se ohawo ne amane na wo tete no Dr. Ba aba eye Bible center yaba se ye betu ohawo ne amane na se. Eti mesew ena no ya matna sei se wo ha obi wo nipaduam eye yare ana abowo enkwanhia ana ato ana amanaka ukotodwe ana usisi ana wokasa mesrew fa ye number na me bebubo esisi ai na fe frɛ na fo ani che Bible center na Bible hospital na bra na beje wa yare sakan eye de ne ye de sa yare eye haban ana oba de ne de adom na kofi ba se onfantu yare ase fisa wo hwatro ni mu a tro ne si ye ni aduaba ne mfa haba no ensa yare that means nyankopon na obo ye na oba de na anim se yare bekan na ade kan na ye yare a ade wo so di tu ase eye Bible center eno nso na nyankopon adaroma aba bedi echamfo ba ho eye Dr. Ba ho etimi se oje number ne sesi ai na fo ani ekire ho number edi nkai ekuta Bible center Dr. Ba na ankasa wo frɛ na sesi ameka se otewa wo tie wo die meka die menka ye nyina no ubetimi afrɛ no wabusa no die tete wo wabra bomu nyina no obefrɛ na wabusa Dr. Ba me patch number no eye 0244 988 004 0244
988
004 ana ba ko eka ho eye 0244 08 34 82 0244 08 34 82 me pacha so we Bible center na Bible hospital ye kase ya ye wo Kumase atonsu agogo government hospital kase ne si wono na chi ana Bible hospital ye wo afa wudu ani kire enkrampata mu a ebi o lashibi com 16 ana Spinters Road 18 junction misrew e ho so ubepie ho a wo yare na wo so no nyina no ye behwe ama ho ato anopa ya matran sie a oman ebo adwuma kitikiti de Bible hospital ebusa won se udompe ene o kase no e ho tesei ena anopa de me ebusa won se kase no se ho nye na se bia ye nkwanhia bi ama kase no ho aka misrew Bible center dani danyina ya na ye wo yare e won kase ane ye wo bi wo ya kwanhia ye ma me bi firi feyi ase ne ba ye ma me pani o kwa asori o ana kopal wa Sunday mo ana abu ni sire num kasa ni sei ama yedi ni bepie Bible center misro ena me ne wo kasa ya me kasa yi ma me na ahoden aba a ma me ananka wanya more than be 80 yetimi dia haban ato ma me no sire na emubu ye na kasa na emubu ye na me ne ma me ni timi kuta ade a won nante a na chese haban wotumi etimi sre ma me papa wutie me se ne anopa yi se bia wanya nkwanhia wakote ahwe wa afuom ebia wo firi wudam no ate ahwe ebia wo kodwale no ate ahwe se ye ho kasa ba bia na mu abu amesrew bra Bible center se wo bepie Bible center kasa mu abu bia na ye de ahaban na beto so ama wo na afi wanya ofa hodie etimesrew ena no pai se ye onamu kasa eye wonsam kasa ana se mu abu a bra Dr. Ba ho ne fa ahaban ento so ma wo emretia bi ena na nka wo de kosensen ba bia di wan yi a ena na nka bosumi bensi akra na ntimi fa wo nansi wo no Dr. Ba di 3 days 4 days ekọ ebe man 9 watimi di esi wo imposa wo na no africhi a ni nyina oba ni nyina ye be ya ama ho ato na de doctor ya no woka ne se bia wante Dr. Ba anka anu akọ chinchini de wo na na akọ chinchini ama sebe wo na na anto aye ama na ye 39 40 e bia ba akọ ewa cha ba akọ a eno so oba Dr. Ba behwe am ye de ahaban aka ama wo na na be ye pepepe etimi sew ho bia wo na ni mu abu ana wo nsem kasa mu abu no for niche ban herbal center afi dani dan na yewia na de ani akere yare e won kase mu ye wa yare bi te sa arthritis ana rheumatism sasabro ana kokram cancer e ba kase ho meso sa no ma we nyina bia bedua wo kase ho a ba bia wo so do ani kire eye ban herbal wo do ani kire ban herbal enompe na yare aba ho no meso ye behwe ama ho atom bibi te sa arthritis yare na eba nompe mu a da bia ye wa aposo na betutuo enti obi wo sori adane dan nyina ne joint na aposo no ye ne ya etutu no ha no mesrew minua ba ma me papa wutie me e arthritis yare ni bi na abawura sa wuni paduan ama ahututuo sa abawura wo so enti wo de baba herbal center ye wo fidie de behwe ni paduan efiri wutiri so abepem na ase ama ye hu sa yare ne ne ade ho ahaba ka wo emirete bi wa aposo na na ye oya no ni nyina no ebefiri mu amanako ane ye wo bi wo adane dan nyina ne nsantia no ekeka to so sa arthritis yare ne ba nsanchane ya na eba no bi no ebu ana ne nsantia no na apo na ya kakraka ne nsane kokwa na ye style bebre afa na ne nsane change mese unhun sa no mani nyina bi ewo wo nsantia na wo nantia mu a mese ofabra ba center na ye hwew afa obi wo akotodwom wo hawo ne amane na etete no ni kotodwe ne ya ne ya wo hunu amane eno so ubepie ba center kotodwom wo hawo ne amane na ya oya no Dr. Bandi ahaban ne beto so ama wo emire tie bi hawo bi na wo kotodwe ni mu ama wuntimi nante no Dr. Bandi behwe ama kotodwe na akọ enti saudi kotodwom yare chinchina no pai bi anopai ameka se wafro card wani kire baabi baabi kro no wakwa wunya ho ahoto a mesra dan wani nafu ani kire atonso ago kumasi atonso ago nabra na Dr. Ba emfa ukotodwe no nto no fa haban ento so ma yare na wo mu nyina mfiri ho afa obi o asisi yare na ha no ni sisi na ye ne ya ma ohu de wo ye ne ho mesra anopai me no kasai se ye usisi na mu twu usisi na ya wo ya wontimi mfa ntena se achia akohwe baabi a miso ni nyina ba center ye de aban beto so amawo na afa yatene sisie no ye yiya obi e wo sisie no mu afirim na afa wanya afa ahodie ye de ne de ye ya aban ane ye de ye afa obi o ha na chibramo ne spinal cord no ono so ye ne ya ma afa de abubu na guo wontimi nya no wo hwe de wo kan ne se na de awie ya ba doctor say awie ye no mai wo ba center ana ade awie ye ebeto ho so enti Dr. Ba say wachika say wachibramo no spinal cord na awie no tokura bedam eye oya ahomache anadwo ayada no wodo wachito mpaso kura wuntimi na no Dr. Ba say wadaroma fo ani kire ho na spinal cord mu yare spinal cord mu how bi a etete ho no ubedue ba center me pa cha oye dia haban ana beto so ama wo emire tia bi ubehu se abana ko wura kasa na wo wachi no nempo oyare ne ohaw na nanka bepie mu no doctor sa oyare na fe spinal cord nanka ukoyi operation bubu agu fom no ye de nanan na wotwe achi ni nyina ama ohaw ne amane ewo mu nyina no atutu afiro ama ho ato enti anopai se wutie me nanka wama bag so se ukoyi operation mesre otie me ye pa utranye na abakwa aba na ebebubu odi oguo enti doctor se bra na haba na oba ade de dom no onfa bi nto okasa ne so ewo achima na afi oyare bi enfirimu afi je number ni biem said ya be ya obetimi de wani abekire ba herbal center number no eye 0244 988 004 ana 0244 08 3482 me pacho wo stroke bia na ewo nipadua num obu ane ma me ne papa bia nya stroke o de na china still ne nine da ne nine etwe na sesa wontimi nante eno so ba center be hwe afa kompo a ewo nipadua no so eno so ba ye be yi kompo na firi so afa hania ana wo so eno so ye bepam ni nyina firi so amanako afa osa na edi unya ni nyina no obeduru ba center ye be hwe ama ni nyina akọ etime so ye de kasa na abawiye yare bia ya modin yanka ho asem no ni nyina no frɛ number na Dr. Babecho amu aba ne etu ase enti yare bia tete wo abrabom mesrɛ fa number ne sesi ai na fo ani cha ba herbal center ana ba herbal hospital ewo kumase atonso ago na bra na beje wa yaresa me pa cha ye number no eye 0244 988 004 0244 988 004 and yeah 0244 08 34 3482. Mr. Woreba Herbal Center, Anaba Herbal Hospital, Yewo Kumase Atonsu Agogo. Government Hospital Kasine Suono Nechi, Anaba Herbal Center, Yewo. Afe wodu ani che enkrampata mu a Yewo Lashibi Com 16, Ana 18 Junction Spinters Road. Meso ube pie on so a ye behwew fa yale na yaka ho asem ne de anka ni nyina befda ba Herbal Center na ono nso ena no pe watena se on fa na haba ni nyina entu yare na se ma na wuwie na se yare ni nyina akọ na wu free ba Herbal Hospital e wato nso agwakọ a eye dede ene mrane eni sebo eye ba ya di ahwefo ene ye tiefo nyina se obade enka obi biara ho oman nyankopon enka ho pa.
Mami Kabibi and for GN Life. It's not been an easy ride, but we are committing to build back because we do not take your trust in us for granted. GN Life is back. What is GN Life doing now? They are now currently paying claims with speed to boost your confidence in us even the more. Now, with as low as 30 Ghana Cedi monthly premium, you sign on to your smart child policy to secure the bright future of your children without financial distress. GN Life, Abasa Dachi, Woma, Senya Ubetimi Akra, Womona, Musuku Fisi Sem, Woma Bra Bobe Sibe Siptano, 30 Ghana Cedis Bosome Pe, Nebibia Esne, Beba Sesi Amikwa Homano so, Namene, Arabu Chumberima, MP for Doma Institution Komo, Arabu, Yamoachi.
Arabu Majeso.
Bomb to say, Honorable, you didn't come efa 1 million one constituency no hona. Colleague, what? Honorable Emmanuel Anshre, Achiman and Wabia just out. Eddie Babontin said, Epis no mubebre, Mudi Yaw power Sadi and one, and sure, member Mon Peswaso campaign who by a day. What aroma? Doma East 1 million one constituency. No, dear, now what team I had the Abua Omo. Now, dear, now what can find.
You made answer. Maybe can find jacket them over take one opinion. Now, make us now many are penny and great canoe. Me fan so far. $1 consulting project I charge here. Every period, it was a good initiative. I thought about normal, maybe so bad on my market. In your market, former MP and all, it's me, ambulance, your friend is saying, office, if remove, or maybe a part service office, if remove. So there are some, but the other two projects are here under construction, are a critical problem. Now, so it's going to be and so buying and saying, many. I'm here and check it can cost us as a party.
How is it going to cost you?
Because we've gone to our various constituents. You are calling because ordinary, you know, and 7 predators now we are member of parliament. Now, also, Baba catch and say, oh, the best market to Yamam. They will say, oh, empty so you're to make the police station. She has the police station. I say, the Babu see your friend is saying, Deba Gas, Uncle Shas here. After Mudim Sakoka, and I didn't hang him. And I didn't call him, but I may take the problem. Some have become just with the trap for certain villages. And they are complaining, and people are complaining. Ordinary in Americano, Anka, young assembly for the state of development project. You know, my cabo, my Sompa, after young living sex project because young lobbying a Japanese. After every about what the kind of you get to one and it's a lot of problems.
Pass out binding your day.
Oh, now I'm buying to resource. I'm buying had something in mind before the Middle Belt Authority or they Coastal Belt Authority, Northern Development Authority, or to enhance this job. And I strongly believe that if Abai will equip them, resource them, because and I know I had opportunity to go and meet my Middle Belt Authority, and I saw that it is totally unacceptable for us to continue on that tangent, because if not, it will really affect us. And their problem was that it is about financial. They need not the Middle Belt Authority for including Asante region named Bono for they need close to about Bono for the Bono. They need close to about 40 million cities to complete our project. So our banks will find ways to meet. If not all projects come we should touch some of the projects which are critical, so that the people will be able to see, say, okay, what I'm saying, I'm probably so, and when I'm fine, so then yes, I know they are lying cry.
All right. Honorable Paul Aprekuchumberry, Madoma is Midasiano pay.
Therefore, many am so that must say.
Piao, okay. And Comodia no Koswa, Nanina no Kowie said, MPs no so started Kasa said 1 million one constituency, and she said, na buying no she say, hello. So buying and Tranania Mesha, and Mama campaign, I had Dimpa, one month for started questioning almost say 1 million one constituencies, a home project, acquiring ensure, baby or gutters, a boa bridge, Nina Stolly Archer say, and corner mano, dainty and a tessa. Na ye did the home command pay. Yo, a ubicate at Trassi. Now, Trassi say, then in a grace gift. What about pa? Now, I want to say,
I do me who identity set your
a year near that bay.
Memmen that way now, train.
Maybe there bowing in our chair.
You feel better conference and
none of my far. Oh, I was in the outcome.
What you could free when I
now, I'm better what you don't do.
Come on, a corner strong.
The battle is the Lord's. FBB for slogan.
I know I saw them because
Yam Grace gift, Mammy Till. I say, Jiratrasi. Our bonnet chichi bow, our bonnet cup. BMW. Exactly. They're the prophet said me.
The most expensive car in the world. And yano. And yam make good party no, and yam maintain no, and yam mechiano. And yahoo Brasil, and you message I will become a bununo. A betiasi.
Now, make sick or message to me invite you. I know who
oh, Kafra.
You be uncle. Now the Java. What now, what to say?
And then, or Chichen or Diana.
I saw no other BMW. No, Baumia must win. Baumia must win. BMW.
Sanity. You who make us watch Chichen.
Maybe I'm Papa come Kwajibi. Oh, you.
I'm what I want to say. I will be a super walk.
Omanhene, wouldn't say.
Now, Mr. B, invite you never
political Beyonce.
Political Beyonce, no.
Ono so ba after Baumia, ono so ba be boani kunu. Ajia Samira Baumia.
Say political Beyonce so. And me name political Jaru.
Political Jaru there, Meseno.
Me ma over Indian come on. Hey.
Wow, here General Mosquito. And said, Glace give it her back energy. So, Omayi, yeah, what was said, and Pempensuya woman, if you moon pa.
What done no? Aye, be a bon you was a word done not in Waba. In tea, a bassa noa, in Yanuma titru. Yana and can come one woman kuno. Nanso so omo ye dia wa afọ yon. Omo bre
so hunu. Anna omo a mpo omo a owo kunu da ho nanso so opeso tete na wo mu. Yana sa ye da we ba. Omo anwe wi omo se so anto obu a obefa furu sisi a.
Yes ye fe ne kusukuku.
Dasura mete. Wa hwe edu sa abere no amoja ni ntimi ne afurisa na yi se nipa no onye practice da bia nti oba na se ni kunu no sebe ne nkwamwana no hit se ko odwo meti he ya obo metra kura utiminya utimeti tentasiyo na se ko basa wa hwe yi a obenyim si na saa bere yi nso na yenua no mema nso saa bere na o bema ese o de so sebe o bema hwe saa mmiri ya ye wo mun esan se so woda so de anopa na se dia wo si wo mu pa na so wo bema na se okoaku don suro no sa so de dia ese se o ma na aboto na wo ye ten na ba grace gifete
esa asama ba o
ebire ya ye wo mun ana me akokura kura ba bia me mfie duru mani beti bia na me bonsa hoto yi animu ahono se pose asadi obi amobura bona no so ho na mo manti na so de sa mmiri yi asem na wo kan se yi ndi sa mmiri wo be ma so be ma hwe na eno na Dr. Glace da bia sa asemi wa kan wa kire ne fidie so eda kwa mbita no so ne nkura bata no mo friend YouTube no
YouTube
wo ko ho na obo Glace gefete ebe yi abasesia no abo aha na so ye frɛ no akanfo de ye frɛ no adede nkunuma na ne buru ofum ne ye frɛ no kasa plan sa han ya ne ta wo border so ene nkwanchen na eso aba na aba no abeba ku bia wo betie bia no onyankompon nyansan mu no waye ne se presse ababia wotina so hwane a na aba ne hye mu miensa enkoba se beburu so da anase enuru ekuru bia beti bia hye mu miensa na de adwan no aba no wo na se dwan a utime de ye family plan etete awontem anase ebire ya iwo mu akoda ebia wo kwame nkonma hu me basisi wo mpana wo yobi na enso enwuma suentum peso benyem na so peso bo ho ban ya Grace gefete kan kire o se enkotutu nuru bia wanhwe a ebe wie kire no na de sunsun so bonne e de abrɛ so hu nipa ne bebere akoye family plan ahodo bi wo me bia edi wonya hawa e de ebre wo ma kire da bia bi ba ho ebi bia ho de de hie nsa ho de ye ne se ye ensensem pi enti me be so de a me kire mo kwan a obefa so a obetimi atete wa wo ntem ana se obebo ho ban emira yi wo mu se de be ya wonya yire dia onkofa nyinsem bia emira no so na pese afi de ekwan mu anda ho a ugya de ne wi a obehu twum ne dem wonya nkompon kwan so pepepe na chida family plan yes remedy that's remedy adede nkunuma ya entimo de monye no mese no na adwubi mere mu kakra na me so de a me twa ne tikura
okay
no mese a odbe hwe akira kwan ewo twim sukun kwanta na so ewo badekase kwantempo no so no mese no ye cello 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
cello
00
tele cello
30
cello 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
cello
00
tele cello
30
ana cello 244
0244
126
126
tele
123
cello 244
0244
126
126
tele
123
enti enko kite homara
Ajubi
Omanhene
Kajaso
Fanya misraw ye beda ye tiefo ne ahwefo nyina ase ne akere omo ne aka akere om se Nyankopɔn nhyirom se da ne da nyina omunya ye ho abote no omunya ye ho dɔ no omutie ehweye no omo sanso tu anamɔkɔ na dodo na nso di adanse e de kira foforo ema dodo na nipa dodo na aba benya ogye ne fa ahodie efiri wo ma yaresem said ya ofadi kan no castor plant ye adede nkruma no you be baby sase na no kra de ne wo ma etimi ye nsenkyene ne anwanwade sa no na Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services aso ye de yemfa haba bia yemfiti prekopani ate haba ya ase ye de ya Adea Akye Abia ye de tonsane ne ye hwehwemu hu se haba wei phytochemicals wo ma ye wei ekita nutrients wei ekita vitamins wei a ebetimi aboa na etu yare we ase aye we ansana yatene de aye noma na ye betin so say ye de ye aduro no a ye de be ma wo nipa da sene na wo ho fa na say wo nipadua no wapomudi na techima no a be bo awura nipadua no na atim hu say yes bibi surunku bi awura wo nipadua no na ye nsenkyerene eni anwanwade sa castor plant anasa adede nkruma haban ekita no ma bebrewom etimi boa treat infections ye fun yare ena afi constipation ayemtim eno ma bebre ena castor plant ya adede nkruma na ye entridie ene no ma bebre na ni titru pa kese pa ye se Omanhene wo bia sebe wone ne te won ma na prekope utimu sa wo de hye no wote won ma abonse na ni nipadua na echim na no na echim na ne body na echia na abon wa sa wo twa prekope na wa sensene na yare stroke nwudue no na ede ne ho egimu sa nipa kro no wotie mi ananso sa wo hwe mi a wo de hye no sa de ne si ye na prekope ma honya hapa na kope bi se bi si ba bi a no ape bi na wonya bi atema akoma akọ 7 wote 7 na no awro so fachu de hye no sa 7 times ko 3 betre 7 times ebra wo hu se ne body ne ba bi a chance na no na achima wodi twi honum sa 7 times a wo de hye no amurum honum na wo betenetene we anya bibia o eye tumi a wa haban mu enu nti na ye hwe ade a wa haban num eni de betimi aye ansa na Grace Gift Herbal Clinic laboratory services asoye ye de aye aduro de ama o de sene bi se gina konom na nipa no so gina onom a na aye nsenkyerene ne anwanwade enu nti ye besrese Herbal Clinic a wo mo ye nhwehwemu fa ahaban ho ye de to nsane ani de fa afidie mu hwe ne ehu no ma ebetimi aye ne nsenkyerene ne anwanwade abaye no eno ne Herbal Clinic wose odasane bia ede ne ho to so eni kwa se obo ho ma Omanhene wo pe baabi Herbal Clinic papa obekọ a ne ha no tu betwa preko pe na enso so ontena se misa ne ho se Herbal Clinic be na mekọ wo se ni pakro no se wo hwe mi anaso se wo tie mi a Grace Gift Herbal Clinic laboratory services aso ye na me kan fo dia ma wo se bo modern na fa ho to ye so na wo de ho to ye so a enim guase de nu nguase bi nkan na wo ha wa ye yare no etu obetwa ma ho ato Omanhene sa adede nkruma kro ya na se obi be pie ya so ye ho na prekope watwa hwe tim yesi wawu ne bia wo de hye no wan kasa otimu se enya ne krada so ebisi Grace Gift mpempi wo ye ya na adede nkruma ne ye de twi ne 7 times a obon se ne nipa kro na enwansi no ate nani obi gina ho se bibi sha se enya bibi a otumi ene ensenkyerene ahon ahaban ne wo any phytochemicals wom any nutrients wom atimi enya ne ewufo free enipa free ewufo mu de ne baati asfasa aseso no eno ena adede nkruma haban anase castor plant eye enu nti ye to nsa afra obi bia se wo ha na akire oso ache no yare na atena oso ache no ada na wo nante baabia no ate ye nka na enso so wasi waso se media me oh me fa bibi drone kama no na me kidna se hwana ka kire ahaban a esiesie nipadua ne mpo wo hya sese wo no ma esanso yi emfomso bi ahinta wo esie baabi eyi firi ho no ma ho to wo mpewe ehimfa bio age se Grace Gift Herbal Clinic laboratory services aso ene ye kanfo dia ma wo se bra na wo ba ye di nu brane habama ene kohini ni nupa tabna ene ye din echen de ye bodin ene ye de be ye ensenkyerene ne anwanwade ama ho ato na wa nkasa wa gina baabi ye di adanse se oh se obo ade nu brana wa bo ade amaye no Dr. Grace Bodu de nyame de hunim de ama no na esanso ode hunim de ama no nti me call na so ye ho no manya me fa hodie ama mayaresa no me nsaka enti ye to nsa afro bibia se omra Grace Gift
okay Omanhene ade we se ono sei aboso me nsu imu ne yewo no enti mo aye wo modwedai kuta wonsa aboso me nyina mo hene eno Omanhene me ma no awoda etwamu na ene se na me won kran na me te se omo kana fe ene se sanka ono a yewo na aboso me nsu se uhunu adede nkrumadu na eyesunsun mu adwuma pa ahahan no ya na apapa isi ebi wo ho a obe se de esi apapa obe kan na ye nwotwe enson enkono ebi kura ye du baako nti wo bosomi ye wo mu no se eye nson a tete de apa nson no maako nson na fagu bokiti a enwade mu dem na sanopa a wo ba dwuman wodi enwumere wodi gu bokiti num de nsuo taa ho a na wakata so de esi adwae wo so de anopa wodwade wie a wodwade awie no na watwensa adede nkuma ho nsuo no na wobobɔ hohoro ho na wobɔ mpaye ade bia hawa brabo mu apeso nyankompon yifiri ho ana asɛmmoa bia apeso nyame de boa no wode hohoro ho nyina na woka ɛyɛ na no pa ɛne anwumere wohwɛ obosome a okwa ne nsa no no wakai na wode ate woyɛ ne saa obehu sɛ so nyankompon wode tumi hye haham na me so de family plan ne de no enkwada ne enkanka emrentuafo bia omo kontoa so JSS no ho ahwa na o masoro ne nti ye de bibi ka ho aba no de awo no oba bu ne nsa na so fia wote miensa opɛ mu na woyi miensa no a ye de bibi be ka ho obemene wo mene a metamese sa bosumi no opa fana no pa awia anwumere o kyerɛ opa tetesra fadwade fa yensuo tum todom bibia ni hɔ ebisie nti osabu nsabio na asa fia na wasa anom na mekyerɛ na fidie so a enkwada no be hadwene nti bia mra grace gefete so wo mpɛso be fa nyinsa ni manimu ya ana opɛso tete wa wontam a oba de de ka ho no de be ka ho ne a kyerɛ si de si yono mra ye nom pepepe na nyinsa no a wo bo ho ba no ebesipi asita nti ohwim sukun kwanta nan so ba de kase kwa no so ohwim sukun dwanse na enkran fo no a o ma digles ke fiti ata o mani asukuro mu ho no ewo new atwemota petroleum ye de family love sukun no ane hwani mu yes so de no mesi de twato no ye selo 54
0543
tele 2
32
selo
00
tele selo
30
selo 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
selo
00
tele selo
30
ana selo 242
0242
72
72
52
52
74 selo 242
0242
72
72
52 74 piao
nyame nkamo na GN life on shisha ni nyina yese 30 Ghana City monthly premium. You sign to our smart child policy. Mofrano dachio na dachia kolani bedu baby no the school fees in sem. Our passage plan policy gives you financial assistance. Sa ko base oba me papa obusuani bi ato obetima policy ama na friend passage plan no otimi akoda jojo lifeguard policy and your financial support against financial challenges brabo ya uboibu awanka bibia nshem de obewan say asembia be bom utwa ho ba bi entwa na wo ye lifeguard policy ewo GN life obedi adanse say wa no watimi kra bibi na dachi okwa ho ye hia mu a yeso se akomwa. To reinstate your policy, you know more about our policies and to receive updates on your claims. Fred Jumedia ways to see our number way so 0503 740 990 0503 740 990. GN Life, still every life matters. GN Life, still every life matters. You but I say ye claims ye tia. Besi 30 Ghana Cedis bill, smart child policy, a passage plan policy, that you mammy ato, now who and a fin alcohol bosiana wunya bieno, Debbie, ye GF passage plan policy, a lifeguard, number hobine 0503 740 990 or a 40 me, Onipa was so to me toso. Oh, call a job asia, I was so do honey. Wedding be engagement outdoor in be a bar. And now while who dressy aqua juma. And was so who need dear listen, you are dressed by your dressing. Quabra said Gemini them. There's Quabra said theater the Obesadiaba program. So a cassette let me say Quabra said Jildin Huni, when him dressing. Now or to Totuswa a fata. Now when your baby papa ton pabwa. slippers out to say onasi didi atem slipper bi o akwabra wo sha na onasi didi atem wanasi kasa o ebo futuro gu na skwa se na osi paper obo so the slippers eba na ebo futuro mesrawa se ope quality slippers from Italy for niche Aban exclusive boutique where they do an now per quality suit the akwadjuma Aban exclusive boutique shirt papa pa to say mentimi mu body Roberto shirts ahodo just say designers make us mobile enko Roberto Cavalli one Cavalli one they see Italian designs ni nyina almost shoes almost shirts almost slippers executive sandals what me the cover bia ebi ho all ranges of shirts, shoes, jeans, jacket, Lacoste, polo designs ahodo Angelo Galezzo bibia ya tade dimu kroma no mu penifom kukudam usia omo no ma dress ya Aban exclusive boutique enunti anope mi srew you want to look good and feel good Aban is made for you and it's made it so simple me shirt you are shemina hu a na wani age a wo kan for no Aban exclusive boutique Santasi Roundabout Fidelity Bank Santasi branch in Chepe Palace shopping mall ani ndi hwe animu mama sentim Santasi Roundabout next to Fidelity Bank Santasi branch yen Palace di hwe animu wo de wunya duru hono ma na wo ya yira kwa afre anope ya wo special occasion bi osa shirt bi wo sha ekasa jeans bi wo ha wo sha ye were linen jeans no money a linen shirt trousers Aban hoko on ma o ubetime twa ho be 1 hour na hu de unto say e bf number no 020 811 6654 020-811-6654 ananu bia me de abo amafa ho jai miso drink any mixer mesrewa e drink papa obi ajatum obi enum bie ye wo 5G ginseng green tea guarana grapefruit and grape ewomu and ye wo miso so you want a mango yes I want a mixed fruit dekama epikama manager Daniel wa 21st clinic ubenya bi wo hwan overseas be kind supermarket sister say wa ba wa post office anomanye sanso so na adom ne asumdwe Junction Baptist University Boakye PNC Ventures anomanye taxi station opposite Charity Hospital Nasachi Enterprise Asafo Abinchi VIP car park wonoma bomoni na phrase 0246 270221 0246 270221 and 0558 106348 0558 106348 oti asika rural bank one waso obedi adanse savings fixed deposit susu account ye dimu tintimai sanso so and our infant or minor savings account our betima kase wabo bano dache ho ban de ye kan nyina ne say we are buying adwuma eni open salary loan or salary advance buying change susu loan ye kabo mu ye san de abobosia afi mo kam ho abom say bia mo person baje bosia mu hia guarantor mu hia collateral bia wo de bra no ti asikan enko moa na wadwuma entumpon ye wo funeral loans wo ho sanso so na commercial na business loans ko uniema wo ho akere wo bra ye beboa Western Union Eastwich iTrans Ghana Pay MTN Momo ni nyina no oti asika edi ho dwuma ye main office ye Kofiase Mampon na Jurassic Pebble Chroma before Udru Melkra Historic Adventist Hospital ni di hwe ni mu en Kinkenso Swami Market Dr. Mensa so Lancer Chemist Dining mu a your number is 0504 842-957 0504-842-957 3A Herbal Center the cold capsules 3A cold capsules juma edie no obia de adanse se cocoa atna so acha uhia 3A cold capsules na mouth 3 condition waste space ni nyina be free ho e be shi cocoa na se na asanso so amawanya ayem tim san se basa ene na obekamu achema suwa ye de no so enka baba ntu no ma otimi ko adwuma calling at Danny Herbal Misty ene apidanko benya bi your number is 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 na bibia akoso e de amount mamema Francis Dodovi so akwaba Francis ne pom to say
ya me jo so
bibia boko kwabran so
aja abai amemu oso onye hwe de wako aban boutique hwe how much he has gone and spent sorry gina oni ehwe obai wo just mo ka kire me
I say
me go Supreme Court ko that's what best about you just
I go Supreme Court Supreme Court
yeah abai coat any abai boutique white shirt any yedi Supreme Court onye lawyer
Francis Mamintio
maybe or chantro
Edi Antonio Chai
BMW
BMW
I see BMW is the most expensive car
oh to him
no
to me
most expensive car
no one can say when him say no on one can say him say in the automobile industry no
you can say
no
you can say what BMW cannot be the most expensive
BMW
okay which one is the most expensive car say wo
just Rolls-Royce
calling alcohol
I didn't throw about
Lamborghini
wo Ferrari mu
Ferrari wo no
it is to my mere imagination
Aston Martin wo
oh me see mere imagination me imagine na maker one who call your friend John Mahamada abobo ya
one who call your friend Akufo-Addo
Akufo-Addo o DHL o place
Yahweh one sa entro
na be kasa
ade entro BMW eya wo ya bawomia eya wo ya masa topic ade buy no me discuss here very important me co campaign
we campaign for them family
if you have nothing to say just give me the airtime
na we dey na beka
Pacho my mo bantare we can
continue. We have to put this to street say Cobra Century onye card
na why ka
onye card
John Mama yeka
oh leave John Mama out. We are not talking about John Mama man can say
anya BMW Baumia must win and I
he is talking about a car not Baumia
wow in the
car sem no car oh we are
what wouldn't say automobile industry no me wo and I see
I'm so surprised
and I see one of the most expensive car
post office ya na container chochope omumpeja
me container me was story building and Messi go there and find out
as say who dey about to me as store
when I catch it all me see store no anymore
oh
you see what
uti ya mega yeah
Maza wa she coat wa kwa aban ho akwaji coat me kwa wo say Omanhene fa aban say wo tua ni nyina
wait you want to say that Francis aban exclusive that's run about
me I don't buy those things so I wouldn't me I don't buy those things
you don't buy but where do you get
me I do my shopping when I travel me buy me talk
yeah na aban there on confirm when you travel on travel na confirm ba
uko hono ma Dodovi atade
me I go there and buy my shirt
the level of no come challenge
woni
there alcohol
mami ko hin
hello Kwabra say chile
wasi mami ko hin
ya wa no
kete wo ni jacket ni wa bia mu na wonim jacket gumi o drop mu
asebe credia eh na no pay for na mu bia no mu free ba mu me ya adwuma
wa twantro na one wa free kwemu na medina the most expensive car in the world as today it is not BMW no okay first 10 expensive cars BMW and come
Mercedes
Omanhene that is my perception yet won't just here mumu kwa makoto aba mahama
is erroneous
wo kwa makoto aba mahama ba mi so ka beto amadofo enti wo no wo so ato nchen kra
come na da bra o dai
masa let's discuss the topic
what free Alan ho aba ba omia ho no obeso ya no munhu no and then kasa be you now who Alan ho you cannot run away from that fact ba
omia himself knew very well say I've once upon the time
with Alan
I was with Alan and I'm not hiding the fact
just to set the record I mean they say also Boakye too say BMW it's not one of the most it's not the most expensive vehicle in the world today.
Okay, let's leave it there. Kwabra, you believe in Baumia and you believe in say obetimia ye bibi sonko e de amomai Ghana. Dientra.
Yeah, when
we are mekok Dodovi ho. Yento abani wie there. But Dodovi candidate here John Dramani Mahama.
Yeah.
MPP for the trouble man. Yeah, MPP for so munya candidate ba wo ye ba o me ntina mebusa.
Yeah, Omanhene ma menchia watiefo nyina. But the ID can they say mogo.
Mogo. That's right.
Yeah, enchia watiefo nyina. Menchia me
mic ne kakra ma.
Menchia me amere Mabra and his sister Dora. Or my brother Penny a year we and Omdo Majamim campaign politics in Timinya Kwanyanko Wom. Na Mamicha Mabra, where salon, our tech dancing, La Paloma, Micha one in a tear for you now. On my winning, and Yamiko and Amiji, Mewoji or Dr. Mahamadou Bawomiamu, and MPP as a political party. Na midi Dr. Maumiachi, especially I'm one of the first people Yajiba Umia Washante region. Even it cost my position as a first vice, but I don't care. Miamati Miaminu Mankwamenu, Deputy Chief Defense Minister. Was say Sabaumia Winikono Lusunu seat as a member of parliament, he's okay. Yes, that is the belief and the loyalty we a woman Baumia. Baumia has taken us to a certain level. Omanhene, yenim. Quite recently, Wawoka Miami Huni Papa, but he needed the blood. Do you know what happened?
Catch me.
Drone and they deliver a mojano.
A save life. And I mean, who say no man kitin kitibia en koso e wo Ghana no say e yade a e wo say ye de ye adwuma pa ma ne ye. And there again, so we share digitalization any enoma Bawumia atimi ayo. Look at house numbering. Okay.
Look at digital house numbering.
Okay.
Look at all this Google. Even though there is still a manano baby, but here is the case that what they buy a boy be brave. And now no, very soon no, nobody will go to printing press say pretty invitation card, mommy. Oh, just here. Very soon no, you can use your phone for direction. Say obi cry to me the phone no there our direction no. Now also direction ubo na and so phone na as a direct na the walk. I quite remember say me the Google map no and I'm Google here for na me call Adeso map no me and me phone and they me call here for left for right for left for right. Then I enjoy it. It's not quite different from the Wobebia. And Baumia has taken it to certain level. Now saying yeah yenum yenuanum dodovinum and this for no or monka for price bill because gold for oil no ama say but many winyina ye to fuel there's a huge relief meboa for gold for oil so what you say enti we all know say enoma bebrebe wo ho a Bawumia edi ye ko to the next level a ye nyina na o say I appreciate it she sa registration of Ghana card ye di ko mobile say one Oma yedi wabusha ni bi de normal bi send me wabrochire
enti
London enti bra na beje na send me car sika ene na Omanhene you and I will believe say eswati atikokura but e den ya ye benye wo bi
ba ku
mienu bi de
e bebu no
say what you say but e call no an no ma no ye den na esisa enti Baumia has taken us to certain level hwe Kama ye campaign me who is excellency honorable as they say wom papo so ankomanum mpenifo a omne ajekum former president ajekum kufuodam wo kamba wo mia campaign ho no na I was shocked and no so sa boa ma megidie mu toyi say I'm in a right position, I'm not in the wrong place and the idea we all have to appreciate say said maybe former president Ajekum Kufuor kan no was say Baumia de or your God gift nyamina dinamaye say what you say na mitie sir, he's a very critic to MPP. I think sir, association we me refidin kakra meka or a lawyer ni dini yemfantidini profodie, but also repeated the same word, say occupy Ghana or occupy Ghana, or repeated the same word and say Bawumia Nyame and the Naman is a God sent person Nyame Edinama Ghana. So what you say? Enti Yamfa Amanyo Semtunche, ni appreciate the kind of person he is. Na media emrebebre meka obienu a we racist chain Britain for, but now you can see say India ni na head Britain. Enye nwanwa. Nwanwa. Enti tambia na meka kire ni MPP for no me tu onfu. Say the Omanhene Yaw one in economist. Ubetima Lidie.
Oh, yeah, economist.
Yes. Ono betima Lidie. Ewo. Ghana. Baby, econo. But when him say what to coin now, said the whole system, the normal system, you would know very well, say. Ghana, the economy, no. Even though we are in a recess, but Obienwa Yentiane Kabosumi. Well, just recently, a country like UK, there were so many strikes.
Oh yes,
doctors, omo prakatia. So what I say, and so yeso yeko, Chinchina yeso ye running into that country just to survive. And Tibaumia de waboye pa, and nochi. Na me share Ghana web UK for Oman increase your visa fee and this phone come with no be hang no not even MPP be a so what you say but visa fee now Oman increase no and the entity Oman increase visa fee no adi su kokra ya mfama wa enya de say e besa di usika eden amawo media I believe in say Bawumia is a God sent person. Obey ye one why ye be near why and it's a gold for oil no now fuel say above from drastically Mimboro former president
Bank of Ghana have also announced said they have increased their gold reserve
exactly
from 7.70 tons.
Let's say a besan papa so now Omanhene anopena mitio now bo kene Japan na yi ni video ni noma hwe woni bibi Omanhene
that's right
me said that call asin central hwe say if there's unemployment ewo hwa oma reho woni mitokube akwani ka kire me say hey 60 pesos say 6 cities right na say come
it's not 6 cities.
Okay.
6 cities.
6 cities.
It's 6 cities. 60 pesos less than 1 city.
Oh yeah.
6 cities. 6 cities. 6 cities.
6 cities in America.
Aye.
Yeah, in America could be. And I'm saying how? That's a Kumasi Kramenya be 5 cities. Means you no pay and ameno. Well, enti media the American say. Ma yemfa Bawumia huanyi Emma yen say you kuro no ma and this for message.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Omanhene me tie speeches now, but me yemu shime. Me tie one ope me yemu shime. But what came into my mind and say youth now. One mu say, one mu di kenechi no. Any message call against Bawumia at the same time assign denti MPP no. Say na MPP co-position where will they be? I come do 7 years it's better to be in power than say ube co-position na come do 8 years. Say come anti-media me to you to know for. Omanhene ye started politics. We are giving away to the youth. See Koyaburu 60 years. We are fading out. But we need to give them hope. Bawumia have to give them hope. Na se mubedi Encrophobi and Samoa, one more keka. Namunina Makwana party, na said,
na Kennedy Japan no say $70 he lost $12 million to depreciation. But I say Baumia Crawford nam na so more touted Baumia's economic and one. Yes.
Budget. Any media budget. And you can the Japan parliament and no more approve.
Okay.
And to me, Baumia on your member of parliament, you know. Baumia on your member of one members of parliament or no Jogati, anyone more members of parliament, one woman was saying Kibrimu. They are the very people that we have to blame. Kofi, Meso, Omanhene Milusubi, because depreciation in the bar affected duty. Nyakaya no to. So what you say? Because Adea Akye and all those members of parliament were moving for presidential aspirant in Ninano. They knew very well say COVID and how my even we have done well. Sure. COVID in Omanhene me anchi me Ghana chi mabrochire. But what happened is abrochire ye ni pedi no. Ghana for timi kabom. One mo say ye beyi se mo ye tena. Unim so mo ye tena yes ye beyi 5 for di. What you say? Omo say okay. Say ni mo beyi ye 5 for di ni de na ye 5 aye adwuma de. Ye ti ye hours so. Ni mo obi 5 hours. It was happening everywhere. Say me boa frewa amanoneni abrochire Omanhene. You agree with me what I'm saying? Ye 10 and ye word Omanhene. Abrochire. What I say?
Anen Karasem.
Ye 10 and ye nyina bia ye adwuma pencil factory. Let me put it that way. COVID number. Say production are you slow. Marketing are you slow. The company will call the general public workers and say say no. I was here in 5 Eddie 5 no so ne bema mo 3 months salary. Then a union will come out and say NSA dia say 10 hours dia and yen slash no near mo be 5 hours na ye 10 ni nyina yen stay na yen survival happening during the COVID time. Ghana BC it never happened. So he being a member of parliament, he should appreciate where he Akufo-Addo ni na bayina. So what you say? But they should be ready. Omanhene. After Bawumia, Ekwa, the political Beyonce. Ajia Samira Bawumia. Olezini boot asamba na de obeye de super delegate to be.
Olezini boot sasa.
Or Bansabek unim Ashanti Bridge ne benya 80%.
For obeye de. President.
Meba.
David, I saw your cab me. I said, why you bringing the wife in? To a German man, Crawford, to Nabasani, Ashanti region.
Oh, but the whole told the whole Ghana as far as it 10 now. As far as it 10 now. Almost where all my junior say. One bedi ba omi atem almost prepare omo yire no almost be face political Beyonce.
Thank you very much. I'll come back to you. Francis,
yo,
why John Dramani Mahama again?
John Dramani Mahama, I think that it is.
In Commander media, may come and say what represent. But hello. But John, tell me. Because I say no, you are representing Baumia. Exactly. And the reason why, and I'm about to say, well, why do you think Ghanaians, John Mama, definitely you want to go about Baumia and come to Mama. I have the floor for you. If you have to deal with Baumia and leave Bahama, and you have a problem. But the question I'll put to you is that why your Mama? Mami too. Bye Joe. Oh, Kwabra Sechre. Kwabra, Mr. We are dealing with time. Dodovi has the floor. Francis Yanko.
Yeah. Rajo Muhammad, I think that will be a flag bearer. And you know, Sompa FM or touchline and our show. This is the Edru or more modi. But I can't send back to be a fadia. This is Air Kayo. Dr. Mamadou Baumia contest no more. I think that NDC Nibia will appreciate this or no crowd win no aba. because in someone can my way no him say fast forward no about beto no until some now or air train 150 questions or 20 questions or set him will be no
Osatima, you know the later Misata most of us at TV train
yes we are air train because in someone of borrow so or no in someone Koras in Cheunim Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has not taken this nation to any level. Said the Woseka. Sir, one mention Google. Google, no Dr. Bawumia or the bad.
Why improve Google? Why improve? Why am I with the use of Google in Ghana?
Kwabra Seche Pacho TV. Many why Juma for quite a long time. When him said, oh, you know, it is not my game, Mempe, Bestrow. Ubetima Bo Francis Dean, Bajo tell me, Kwabra, that strategy thing, I am above it. Stop it. In India, he will mention your name, but you keep quiet.
Okay, fine. I agree.
Please.
Since you have said, I have agreed.
Yanko.
I don't pay me Bompire Samebo. Bompire and Yamama Butre. Google, and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and the Ghana. Before, as a matter of fact, before he became vice president, now Google or Ghana. Yaw, house numbering address system. Ashtown, a Mona or more house numbers during the colonial era.
But you agree with me that it's been digitized?
I'm saying
that is true.
House numbering
in this state. Exactly. That's why me asafu me fear BH47.
Exactly.
But now any Google map.
Exactly.
It's or kase ba me are digitizing na. Let's agree say on swap
house numbering. So
okay.
Please.
Okay.
And it's our credit me no na wo kan. It has fallen flat. Mpenyifo wo krom ha nyina nim. Kobra senji onanga so onim say di chem so. So those days na omo fie no bibia no what say house number. Onim say na e wo hodada.
Neni ho.
Very well. So now we fee house number ne ho dey and that is
BH47. Bimza here. Na e wo Google mu. Now you are having a typical one.
Beba chonti asema me kan no omo mu tire omo antana nti gise wo kan na.
Oh, that be person me kire ni mu.
That be nti asema wo kan no. Dey wo ho awesome dey tuja dey tuja. Kwamra you're making my work difficult this morning.
And now my discussion no.
You're not helping us. We are having a discussion, Sheikh Kwamra. As I speak with you, the vice president that you're representing here, all the big guns in town here are listening to you.
I know they are listening.
And why are you doing this?
I will allow you to.
He is not lying. The man can baby or can visa merchant agency with maker. Are you the moderator?
Very well.
I will cut you off at a point. I want to hear me man Kasabiu. Kwabra, you know me, please. Francis Yanko.
Yo. Ghana card was started by President Kufuor. President Mills Ebetwaso. And President Mahama so ebeye na famudi. As a matter of fact, Miss Wame assembly her. Sompa FM. Bibia, all assembly no one. President Mahama tell me how and I'm a koji. Unso mo become a small
paper.
You know that. So it is just continuation of President Kufuor's legacy. And all the governments na Ebetwaso. I don't know why mo person mo decide we nyina ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Some fans we Google housing BND mo de nyina man. But you see this economy enye economy a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene beye economy no the amount for a party ni say yaw wo buy na dollar yesen ene yesen. It is based on this principle and I would hear lecture. It was Central University. Ebese call him for Santima Muhanya or Baby Biana or Church board so. Mukaya Kokasa Okoye economy. Now you want to become flag bearer of your party. And I will cancel. And some not can Japan Ekano and found it could be a Okotono as saying. He is saying that he's lost $12 million as a result of depreciation
of the city.
Now one kasa uti ya uhwe menimi. Waka chere se usu waluzubi. Usika na bia kokam. And abrofo friend no cherry picking I said, oh, ye dear,
pick and choose.
Pick and choose. Appropriate and reprobate, and I'm a boy.
Yeah.
The executive Dr. Baumiano, now the man is away. But the overall and Tansana, ya de born on a dear, was my young fan born. Maybe I'm meeting Dr. Free. Are you right?
Yeah.
Can be bringing a parliament energy too. He himself, or not because Dr. Baumia G2 say, economic management team now where head.
Sompa FM.
To the extent that, Osafo for crab on a basso, meboa. Yeah, and it's a one who had the economic management team. That's economy na ejija na ye kan. Ose ma ye kan na ye parliament. Such a picky who allow this? Obi enu wo beje tum. Ba ko bra wo che ye nyina penyu, ba na nche se ye nkwada sa. Se so eni Africa kra. Anti Misro. In your quest to project doctor. And you're not better. In your quest to excuse me to project Dr. Baumia as the economic messiah of our country, no, we're failing. And it's a more party for no air. Be humble enough and admit. As for this Ukraine and Russia war, Yahweh, Ukraine nakasa ntokwanesi o bomb on the land hono. Now they are exporting. Our currency is strong. So why is it that war? Are we about 30-something thousand kilometers from?
But that will not be a basis. It doesn't. The issue is that Ukraine-Russia war, we all agree that it also had an effect on us as a people in this part of the world. So the dollar, the CD, even prices of goods shot up. Now it is stabilized because to some extent war now perform unlike it used to be. But at the same time, it had an effect on us. You can't throw that away.
You see, what I'm saying is that when I was saying wako Zimbabwe akoyo economy, when him say Ghana, top 3 countries of Africa more inflation was through Ghana. Sudan, war torn Sudan. Sudan, Ghana, and I have from Pubium. I think there's other country. It's that 3 countries we. And they recorded the highest inflation. Liberia inflation it was about 8% now. I think we are roving around 42%.
Yeah, 42.
Yeah. And see, Dr. Baumia, Nisem Kayeno, any economic management team now heading, you cannot take it away from him. More company man, no. You should just add it to it. Say he's the reason why we are where we are today. All these
can't say Ghana for say Baumia is the reason why we are here today.
He's part of it. He's part of it. You are responsible for this show. Doctor, if you are free, example now, no. It is not about CEO as a more. You are responsible for this show, morning show. A packed program. And money and opadi na ye no. Bibi touch ma ha. You will be held responsible. And not your CEO. They make a what you say. The area no pa we no. Fanso bre we, do you bowa. Ma kukwa bro so. Mama no coffee no pa we. Hey, wo somebody ma won say wo ko. You are instructing people mo kasa, mo ye we. That is your job as a host. So who knew na sit in whose boa maba? Na se bibia touch ma wa ha. And you know that you be held responsible. And I'm a boy. And see, don't put everything together. And himself President Akufo-Addo, framers of the law of our country in himself, he cannot be everywhere because Wanyanyame and I was soon out will be also. And he was say, me was Minister of Interior, she police for a soldier for way for so. And no soldier for count, Defense Minister. Wow. And what teacher Momoka
Sompa FM.
And the National Security Kandapa. Pandecrator from our crew with moi. Me pesa wason. Report to me. They make us what you say.
Okay.
And see what teacher Muka Dr. Baumia. Una also oba was economic wizard and I'm a boy. And Bibi Edru Sesiano, we need an economist to lead the nation. Kwame Nkrumah, he was not economist, but he led this nation to the promised land. Jerry John Rawlings was not an economist. Kutu Achampong was not an economist, but he was credited for all those infrastructure development. John Mahama was not an economist. And to say we need an economist, it's an understatement.
Now, don't you also think that because all these people were not economics, that is where we are today?
No. You can have an economist who plunged this nation to ditch. And for NHN into us, and yes, sir, Dr. Boakye, economist. He's the head of the economic.
But is he the head nigger in charge? Does he take every decision? Because he can make recommendation if the president disagrees.
So we are head of economic management team. What is your rule? Who is head of economic management team? Who rule is saying?
You coordinate the affairs of the various ministries, not finance alone. The question many are asking is, when things get better at trade, agric, and other ministries, they say the ministers there are doing well. But when it comes to finance, there's a finance minister. Why we attach everything to the head of economic management and not the finance minister?
Because the larger responsibility lies with the economic management team. On my way. And yeah, that finance minister there, he's equally like the interior minister. You should know. Triaweka, Fiscal Maui, contractors, bondholders. Because we are head of a ultimate issue check, my boy. And the check must go through Bank of Ghana, then directed to Auditor General for clearance now there. And the issuing of check now there, yes. But overall economic performance, no. The piano, Moko cabinet meeting, yeah, director, no. You are in charge. You are in charge. That is your job. Unless you want to tell me, that another boy will be changing. And now my Dr. Baumia, a friend is a Sompa penny. But strictly from 1992 up to date, up to John Mahama leaving office, that is how it.
Do you remember 2016? There was this allegation coming from the office of the vice president, Amisa Atta, that he was not allowed to work as he instructs, and it is not taken. If you are head of economic management team, a finance minister can decide not to listen to you, and you can't do him focal. It is the president that has the prerogative to take a decision and say, because the finance minister himself decided not to go to IMF. The president said we are going. And we are told even the e-levy, the cabinet met and the economic management met, and the vice president was not into it. But since the finance minister was able to convince the president allowed it.
Yeah,
Obakai finance minister, senior minister, what's his name? Safumafu.
Yeah.
He told Ghanaians, "Oh, Mampeni Kufuor Semenko."
Yeah.
He did not come to tell Ghanaians to say, "Yeah, kwa IMF." Also, Mampeni Kufuor say, "It is anye ya." Say go Mampeni Kufuor the 3. So when he was making the announcement, so at a point in time, I agree with you. Say the finance minister to me or one of economic management team head on to me stop
Yeah, Unti. I don't know yet. You want people to see that.
No, but that is the fact. I'm telling you a fact. Bacho. Hello.
From the vice president.
Bacho. Unim there about my wife so advice.
One quite encouraging the Bia.
Francis.
One. Omanhene Akufo-Addo ankasa edi Dr. Baumia ho adanse. Say he's the economic wizard.
Okay.
These are his ways. He's economic wizard. And Ababe Bwana Mana Boy Juma.
Okay.
And see, I am taking the president's word for it. Unless say Dr. Baumia Ababe Kachre say.
Yeah, man.
Exactly. And from all indications, Yale for you. Can for that so call Yale. Dr. Baumia onu so call Yale.
Acho minimo.
And see, you call Yale, you call Oxford, you call Harvard for you. You even know, say, all presented budget cry over my women. Not Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
All the time, what's in nature?
He hacked him. I'm on the bag neko, on no me and echo. They think through it. So don't let anybody deceive you. Omanhene had trust in Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. And I'm tempted I am tempted to. Why are you jittering? I am tempted to believe and taking the president's word for it. Say, he's the head of the economic management team, and still he is. As to what I said, the input has been taken, he has not been taking the requirement. Yaw, it is a different ball game altogether. Now you know what?
Tell me.
Dr. Baumadu Baumianim said, we are vice president, you are the head of the economic management team. That is why I said 100 and saying, how many questions? 120 questions.
150.
150 questions. No.
The man, Misata.
Or the man.
The late
Dr. Emisata, right? One fan Koma Ora Mahama. Because he knows that he was the one, or no, Emisata, and the head of economic management team. When John Mahama was the vice president, he was the head of the economic management team. All the single digit inflations now they are there. You're choky, you're not at there for about 2 years now. Yeah. He was the head of the economic management team.
Okay, wrap up for me.
Away from and he said, Oracle in the Japan. Kase strategy excused me. Now it is not the NDC that is talking. It is not the and one kasa crowd here. Brakobna, what you to say Dr. Mamudu Wakasano currency no e affect you. And on my etias, he answer ni pesa boa. And you question I will be sano. What's a boss say, oh, you know, you work at Bank of Ghana. Unim a hosik or mano sikasem or mano to ye. You can do it. Ebe do na bisawa. Afede yaw. O se monko bisa asimesi. Na sana ye no. Eye kasa ene eboshe and a manfo e hwa so ade to abama wo.
For you,
for me, what it means is that I did be able to touch him and someone who can be. You are held responsible.
Thank you very much. I'll come back to you.
And
I'll come back to you. Mami ko kwabra say for 5 minutes.
Now moderator.
Hello. I'll come back to you. Francis, I'll come back to you. Kwabra mami too.
Yes, numusuo ni tuti.
Write it down. What's it there?
So when we are important. We are enterprise. We will see what loses so. No, we loses $12 million. Now we can. You think that we are walking war as central no? And I'm saying Mranti any Jumayentino. Yenfa or bonus. But you cannot take it away from say this same gentleman has businesses are employing Crawford.
Okay, thank you very much. Kwabra.
Omanhene. There's part of economic hardship. When me experience sa sikasemu changes no. Could you believe say na me yi 143 Canadian dollars na maji 1 USD. Sikani depreciate ya ma na ye more dangerous. Say currently what you say? Say who die na who mortgage.
Okay, manone.
Yeah, make taxes no. Na a bit na 1.1%. Now no, it's about 4.7%.
Oh, I'm rich.
Yes,
Canada.
Yes, and nipa baby use $150,000 or the koto a diasi thinking say bank no ebe finance amano. But a core 4.7%, you know. Bank in finance cry, you can't afford it. So as you can also know, what they call to Danasia, you won't get that money back. Because they assume say a dan water. So the builders are waiting for their money. So if the money didn't come, you've lost your money. Omanhene, Ghana is the economy, you know. UK now, Omuwu, you know. They are now importing nurses from us. UK no Omuwu, you know.
Canada is doing same.
Canada is doing same. US is doing same. Germany, currently, Germany, SOF nurses, every Ghana. And it's a what Ghana, if you don't believe in yourself, say the Kufa Duka in there, then I will borrow 10 words, excuse me. Omanhene, during the pandemic, you know, COVID, you know, teachers were paid. Free education was on. School feeding, the children were enjoying school feeding. And school uniform, they were enjoying. Electricity and water bill, every student were enjoying. Abanu making sure, say, Ye ya sitina mu no, Ghana sitina mu no, obiara ho ato no. Unfortunately, COVID-19 me ha. Echimi Canada. And me compare the two no. I know exactly what I'm saying.
It's a Canada I'm watching.
Pa.
Abayan so be asking.
Weaver. And Abayan so ni passing or you say, wa who won't cry Tabiano apply for a loan, COVID loan, it will be given to you. And a man for apply. Me man catch me say me apply me say me pay. Omo kaya. Now obi a man for call omo bank account that money were deducting from their money from their account. Because in Canada the government have access into your account. Because of digitalization about me adia bano any card any addresses in any no. Now no ubo unsemo wa mo unsemo samafu because now no your SIM card can be blocked at any given time and your information as na information or be information me boa and it say block SIM card you will never get the telephone. Na so ko borrow bi de so na sa de kodi sa nyamena asem no so a sa ni bakro so will be arrested. Yempe we na pede an ye pa beti asitro go so yim enti Omanhene Ghana is better. Hwe se sia me ne wo kase uko Canada petrol 1 liter $1.45 1 liter. Now, the Canadian dollar at the bank rate say 8 cedis per $1 Canadian, 5 times 4.5. People are suffering in Amanone. Whilst in Ghana here we are enjoying. Omanhene say check plane ticket also buy and check on check plane ticket currently checking plane ticket be anywhere even at the UK ubenya less than $2,000. And so still Kumasi to Accra, any less than $100, which is so very, very cheap, less than $100. But free, Canada say will come Montreal, it will cost you like $700 Canadian. And also you look at you. And Mamu Mayen to Ghana abo fia, ajejebu. The economy is good.
The economy is good.
It's good for me. It's not.
Say the economy is picking. It's not good.
No. Okay, sorry for that. I'm borrowing your words. It's picking
economy
gradually.
It's picking.
It's picking gradually. No. Say me they compare.
No,
me they compare. Bayira. Me koto bayira baku me $70. Not just say Ghana no much better. By $70 na material me ko unza de ne by $70 $70 fine matter no ma san tax account 10%. And it's no more $70, it's even more than 7%. Share and no na me to mami bi wache what the good box mami ne the good box we no mami polythene bag or the share plastic bag in town all over the world apart from where I don't know African countries in there. Abrochile ye polythene bag ye to Omanhene ye to me catch mamene is wondering and I'm saying yes ye to in a sense say I would ache me kwa me disposing of haphazardly
for time polythene bag ni ento your mama time ye ento enye new thing here
but it will come to a time where it will come to a time your mama ba one here better. And your Omanhene John Mahama time na COVID in my
birthdays be near there.
John Mahama time na COVID in my teacher need to make sure there 4 years. Me am on the 3 months pay. That time na Honorable Haruna Idrisu and then labor minister. What you say? My 2 months near try. And then the first man can say teacher training allowance. Any nurses training allowance, mintia. What I say, but here is the case, economy no, COVID, all these allowances, even though regularly, but a cabia near Dio Mubiano
is being paid.
Is being paid.
Thank you, Francis.
Thanks to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Francis, come in.
Yeah.
Achievement.
Yeah. Brakobra. Canada now I deal with him them.
Quote you make a chair say. Make a chair say. Uko tona by uka chair say me too quiet na me.
Francis. Francis, go ahead. Go ahead.
Canada now with him. Want me for Ghana and compare Canada. Man you be
Canada compare Nigeria and Cote d'Ivoire.
Let's situate our discussion within our local context. Ghana from 1957 80 krom ha ye ne gie krom enti na war ensi ha utokwa bia ensi ha
ye ne gie anka ye Nigeria ye migrate to you
correct century. Our time is almost up. I have a lot of things to do. Mami tieno. Now onye nipa mowa. Francis.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
And you know the air can say we must situate this conversation with your local context. Opportunities say what Canada, opportunities say what Germany, UK, US. When you say Joe Biden, they've created over 2 billion jobs.
2 million.
2 million jobs.
Individual, government businesses, private men.
Listen,
businesses.
If you don't create the enabling environment, the businessman cannot create jobs. Let's get this thing right and move on. Kasa Francis.
Monsieur Professor Mills. Monsieur Professor Mills. Monsieur Professor Mills.
Francis.
Monsieur Professor Mills. Monsieur Mills. Me.
Wow.
I mean you.
Ghana did your pay and say
Sompa FM.
Na yare hwe. Ebekuyi. What you don't go to. Now what kana? Enye drone asem.
Na di asem.
Drone what tamu ayaw. On fan besi wo abobo an. You must deliver it at a health center. Nebi ka so what? Health center hono so we here chief compound. We here polyclinic. These are little things that we need as a nation. And he said, "Un see a yidai. Un see health center. Un see chief compound. Now we call drone. Minyini say a drone fire. Odi be call choba. And odi be call biaba na call deliver.
Don't go to yanya war.
So what you say?
Don't go to yanya for motorbikes. Enkwankwaja war.
Before
the microphone is off.
Before another buy we buy power. Now amount for work. So them say. Traditional birth attendant. Na no. Ma me phone pay. I start come maybe. No mo friend. Omoji awo. I start phone nyina bebe nyina ho na ye wo om bebe. Enti please. Oh.
Hey.
Umamiwi.
Comrade.
Enti
so the time kakra na onya wo say no.
Enti de me kan say yaw. Ghana ni bia pese. No me ekua bosu ade anope bia wo hwe e wo fi wo pese osore a wanya yare hwe papa ka obetira mu every tech abaso ameha no onim ne bo wo foma no edwuma na wo ye no e koso sika na ye de krade fra ma no ne no ejina de ejina fango bo no e wo fo. These are basic things that Ghanaians are looking for.
Yes,
but
Bobby has done it.
Emwa peja na ketua civil servant na waye adwuma no na ketua no so muntimi peja enu bibia betimi tua ne ma a omu enko free SHS omo private schools ni international schools ne sika entimi entua omu of school fees na ebeye bed.
But this year they are not complaining because they have 30% increment.
Then we have problem.
Just this for debium de akwachi
akokra waye adwuma ni sika wodi aba bo aban busia
bonds
aban entimi anye sika ntwa ne ka ejise okwa picketing they all supply secondary school aduane ye ntwa ne ka ejise okoda buffer stock. These are major issues Ghana ni bia o Ghana. And for you can be driving in your Lexus, you can be driving in your Land Cruisers. Ufi say all is well, but I am telling you that. Usi from ano bisa tro ni na wo mu from here say 4 years ago. You see, the standard is not about that is not Ghanaian.
It's about the one on the
Ghanaian standard is on the.
That is why free education is being implemented.
You're salty, myself. Ebia me I can afford. Cobration Ebia you can afford. Yeah, you can afford. Because you are working in a private sector. Whilst we are with Juma. And for affordability, it is not just a few. Nipa 30 million and no Ghana. Now I say move 2 million credit year, no money the year. No, it should be the reverse. So nipa 30 million no Ghana ha. At least a move 25 million and I move 20 million cross so multi. Then we those who are surviving well can take care of the 10 million. You understand? That's what I said. But in our case, I have nipa 2 million pay. After I be trying to preach here, say watching here or say politics bag here to. Now they low. The standards in Canada, you cannot compare it to her. Yeah? Se standard that e wo Canada e bi wo Ghana ha menyene so bia kra beka so
and no na Baumia de ba no. That is what Baumia is bringing.
Finally, Francis,
what is Africa country be to say Mauritius, be to say Seychelles Island,
Rwanda
no, these are countries.
Seychelles, yeah,
these are free to Canada
islands no
onim say omu visa no e ko Canada free
omu passport nya ne visa ne passport.
It is not. It is passport.
Yeah, it's passport.
Now, but when you want to me, I attract ticket now. Because someone in someone, man better off to hold. Their economy is doing so well. Mauritius, Mauritius, deep in the Atlantic Ocean, Ben Seychelles. Among African countries,
they are less than 3 million.
Among Quine,
Nehotono.
South Africa for be you know that. Because the omoye bia standard is very high. Omoya rehwe. Omodi diem.
Francis first man me o ka wie say.
The air can say. Stop comparing.
And when nyina Jomama buy ode no beyeye. When nyina waka nyina. Jomama any professor miss ode no beyeye.
Okay, so now let me tell you. Let me tell you.
Don't tell me the time is up.
Ghana for nyina ni. Yeah.
Ede.
So him say
who kase e komni obi ntimi
ebi ehu kutu achampa mamu. As a matter of fact, my papa is 87 years. Your papa 1936. What it means is that you will cry Kwame Nkrumah. So he has seen it up to date. He's known the difference between all the presidents from Nkrumah time up to date. They make us what I say. And abai bia born in home de bia no onim. Onim say Nkrumah person.
Ede ne di two omo.
It was okay.
My busa almost say economic hardship ya dey two omo.
Say oh compare year after year. And I said regime after regime. Obi anim say nanado amambo we.
Sompa FM.
Enkoyi.
Omumudi ayi na encounter with the COVID. Omumudi ayi na encounter with the COVID. Aye.
Na a gallon of petrol. 20 cedis. And then when him say a liter of petrol equally 20 cedis.
Now, today, it went to, but now it's 12.
It's 12. So what I say, that is Nasani about 1 gallon.
It went to.
And about 12 cedis.
It went to 123.
It's everywhere.
So the bottom line is.
So the bottom line is that there is general hardship in the system.
Mama time now we use best. Akufo time we use best.
It's not well. And you see, those who even campaign for this government, now they are all over the place telling Ghanaians say Nanado has made his family rich than the nation.
Thank you. Every mobile day, now young birthdays no quickly. Now Tony Sack Electronics na so yasinemi the birthdays ni mau. Yami aduma 28 omubie and on modern state of the art property electronics ewo cocoa board runabout ewo sunyane eni oe terminal no edi hwe ni mu no ebie fufra no oba dum hanoma oba di wani ba be kire SD Karam Quantin pom ho no mo ewo dum Wesley Maternity Sania na Tony Sack ofre 0501 80337 Womo ebeba umwa kama blenders, microwave ovens, chest freezer, deep freezers, washing machines, kettles, name hunkro ne benyina no obenya bi ato ewo Tony Sack na yodi kan awoda no ye Mr. Mike Edudomfe your lovely daughter Uncle Mike birthday. Your lovely daughter Cynthia is wishing you a special birthday. On the president of Boakye students, all students, yes. Mike Adudumfe. A very nice man. Okay, Mike. Veronica Adea Akye Abia Uokote Enewa Woda. The lovely from your lovely Cynthia. Okay, the wife now wishing of Cynthia. And yeah, Edum opposite Malcolm. Shop now was your motor utensils. I don't know. Okay, Cynthia. Okay, Cynthia. Veronica there, Mammy.
She looks so pretty.
Ofrikote Mikrom. Auntie Sipra. Happy birthday to Emmanuel Dana Techi Safo of Fenning School. From your father, Prince Safo of Procurement Ghana Library Authority, and your mother, Rita Opoku Nyantechiwa, a teacher at State Experimental School. It's your birthday. To my beloved daughter, Davina Afrade of Awaso Academy International, from your father, Ernest Adea of Seshi Bekwai. Reverend J.K. Bimpong of Seshi. Bekwai Presbyterian Church of Ghana, Trinity congregation. Today is your birthday from Ernest Adea of Seshi Bekwai. Happy birthday to Francisco Nedu Yadom Senior from Kona. And then Lionel Kwabena De Sapon from your mother, Irene Mensah, and all your siblings. You are 4 years today. Philip Mensah, geography tutor. Of Ghana Muslim Mission SHS in Suitabe Apostle. Philip Mensah, today is your birthday. Nina Boakye of Asante Medical Hospital. Asan Medical Hospital, Nina. Denasi from Catherine Paha of Denasi. Nana Kwesia J, today is your birthday. And happy birthday to Madam Faustine Osei, in charge of catering unit, Children's Hospital at Doom Pampa. So from Comfort Children's Hospital. Madam Faustina Osei, today is your birthday. Reverend Dr. John Amuasi of Goldfields Chapel. Gracefields Chapel. Okay. KNUST branch. From your son and daughter, Reverend Bonaventure Sean and Lady Pastor MFA Mavis of Revival Life. Reverend Dr. John Amuasi. Today is your birthday. Gracefields Chapel, KNUST branch. Happy birthday to you. And then Nana Dusay of Central Police Station, Accra. From your sister, Ma Angie. And your nephew, Keche Obi of Sompa. Nana Edusay, Central Police, Accra. Josephine Osei Jima Prempe. Today is your birthday from Berima Kwajo. And then Mrs. Edna Osei Japan of United Kingdom. Today is your birthday. To Mrs. Patience of Nkranza. Today is your birthday. Francis Ofori, Mr. Dot. And Madame Rosemary Abranyamiche from Mensa Abrampa. Akosia Menu. Deputy CEO of National Youth Authority and Parliamentary Hopeful for Adenta constituency, Akosia Menu, from a secret admirer, Nana Abuama of Sompa. The secret admirer, no know I do never. Hey, Abuama, the secret Eric Sapol. Today is your birthday. I'm going from Kacheobi. Wow, a special birthday to Akosia Menu, Deputy CEO of NYA and Parliamentary Hopeful Adenta constituency from a secret admirer. Now, where is the secret now? Hey, yo, Esawara, I was here for ADC animal. Yeah, Yapon, Mammy, Abrantia Natnasi, Obey Juma, and then H. Bebre with